My name is Andrew Meyer, and my goal is to trade a skateboard for a John Deere 310. Traded a paperclip for a house. Well, I don't have anything that ambitious to do, but I want to trade a skateboard for the John Deere 310. The reason why I wanted to trade a skateboard for a John Deere 310 is, well, I have a skateboard and I have no use for it, and I do need a John Deere 310. The idea is we're going to take this skateboard and I'm going to trade it through a plethora of items, and then eventually we'll land on the John Deere 310 or something equivalent of the like a Case 580 or maybe a Cat some caliber. My goal is to do this in 77 days. So if you have a cool item that you'd like to trade with me, something exciting, something unique, then get at me, let me know. Make sure you follow the channel and subscribe. Hit that bell and make sure that you're getting the notifications for all the new videos and all the new content we're going to be releasing.